The man standing in the middle, holding the American flag, is named David O'Mackey. He was a leader of the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints and attended a local flag raising day of this university. At the groundbreaking, David O'Mackey said, "From the school-legal men and women whose influence will be felt toward the good establishment of peace internationally."
Yes, and because of that, one unique major this university offers is the Intercultural Peace Building major. And this major helps students to resolve conflicts and
We have a lot of missionaries that serve here that are from the Philippines.
Oh yeah. So we are visiting the Church of Jesus Christ.
I'm able to learn about and connect with people that have passed away a long time ago that I've never met, but I'm able to have
yeah, so just like we all have had, loved ones, people we know pass away, this room brings me a lot of comfort because it helps me know that I will see them again someday and that they're in a safe place right now.
So this is called the Eden of Eden.
No longer than
Eden. So it's the place of love. And when they fall, yeah, you can visit that place.
This is the holy place. Oh, that was the temple there. Oh my God. Isn't it so amazing?
So
And those are missionaries.
keeping up this thing.
Yeah, those are missionaries.
Oh, they did it on the top there.
Yeah, that's the temple.
Yeah, I know. I thought
This is the
this is the
library.
visitors.
Yeah.
The visitors.
Yeah. It's amazing. So these are the
you don't take visitors on that day, on Sunday.
So on Sundays, we do like anybody do like church
You guys want, we're going to play like a 90-second narration of words from Jesus Christ in Tagalog up front.
Shoot ng kuti.
Sapagkat nasaan, pinagdusahan ko ang mga away na ito para sa upang hindi sila magdusa kung sila ang magsisisi. Huwag mong kalumihanan ang inyong puso. Magsisampalataya kayo sa Diyos. Magsisampalataya mo kayo sa akin. Isang bagong utos ang sa inyo ibibigay ko, na kayo mga ibigan sa isa't isa, na kung papaano ibig ko kayo, ay mag-ibigan naman kayo sa isa't isa. Sa ganito'y magkikilala ng lahat ng mga tao na kayo ay aking mga anak. Sa pangalan ng aking mga ay maraming dahan. Ako'y pararoon upang ipaganda kayo ng daming kalalagyan. Kung ako'y inyong iniibig, ay tutuparin ninyo ang aking mga utos.
Thank you all for listening to that narration. We hope you were able to feel a little bit of that peace that comes from Jesus Christ. We hope that you're able to bring that with you the rest of your trip.
Awesome. Welcome back.